In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from Edge to Opera browser Opera GX. If you're moving to Opera GX and want your familiar sites and browsing trail to come with you, this quick import will bring over your browsing history and your favorites, also called bookmarks, from Microsoft Edge. Start by opening Opera GX on your computer. Once the browser is up, look to the very top left corner of the window for the Opera button. It's the round red O, and it opens the main menu for the browser. Click it to expand the menu. In the menu, move your mouse over Bookmarks. Don't click yet, just hover so the Bookmarks submenu appears. From that submenu, choose Import Bookmarks and Settings. This opens a small window where Opera GX can pull data from other browsers installed on your system. In the Source dropdown, pick Microsoft Edge. If you have more than one Edge profile on your device, Opera will use the default one. For best results, keep Edge closed while importing, and make sure you're signed into the profile that holds the data you want to bring over. Next, select exactly what you want to import. For this guide, check Browsing History and Favorites or Bookmarks. These options copy your history list and the sites you've saved. When you're ready, click Import. The transfer only takes a moment. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation. Your Edge bookmarks will now appear in Opera GX, often inside an imported folder in the bookmarks or on the bookmarks bar, and you can reorganize them anytime. Your browsing history will show up in the History view, which you can reach from the sidebar or by opening the menu and choosing History. If Edge doesn't appear in the list, make sure it's installed and up to date on the same computer. And remember, importing copies your data. It doesn't remove anything from Edge. That's all there is to it. Enjoy a smoother start in Opera GX with your familiar sites right where you expect them.